Today we have a great dash cam. This is the Mini 5 Ultra HD 4K 2160. Built-in GPS, built-in microphone, night vision, and much more, and begin now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from MediaBox TNT. This is the Mini 5. What is great about this particular camera, I said again, it's 4K. Oh, by the way, they said with Wi-Fi too, 5G, so you will connect it right in your cell phone. Night vision and full recording information from the GPS built in there, and plus 64 gigabytes. So let me show you detail, and let me put the application up, and we're gonna test the whole thing out right now. All right, so this is the DDPAI 4K camera, 5 volt, 2 amp, right, and the Mini 5. So let's see what we get. And instructions, the manual. It's very simple here. Tell you how to install the camera. You need to download the application. The application is pretty simple. Either iOS devices or Android, search for that DDPAI. That's it. That's all you have to do, and install it right in your phone. You need to do that first. So we got the camera here. Nice. Now the camera, you will say, hold on, there is no screen. No, there is no screen. We don't need any screens. And once again, the idea is record, and when something happens, we can pull the video out of this. But the next thing is, if you want, send you the information real time with your cell phone. I'll show you that. So this is the camera. This one is, again, 4K, super small, so that way it's nice. You're not going to see this big thing installed right in the dashboard. Now with this, we can turn on and on the audio if you want to record the audio there. And here, USB Type-C. That's it. Simple. What else we get? Out of that, this is like in the installation. Okay, installation show you how to put the camera, but I show you that. We're going to test in that in my car as well. So here is the bracket that we're going to install in the dashboard. And here comes with the real long USB cable, cigarette lighter adapter, and also some those if you have to, you know, a sticky thing. So we have right there. We'll leave it there in the side. All right, so the way you're going to install this, you're going to install this right in the dash. So fill this out, right? And I show you, there is instructions, and I show you in the cell phone how to install it. Now it's pretty simple. After you install this, the only thing you have to do is pull this in like this, and it clicks. That's it. It's there. You need to move it, pull it out, put it there, click. The only thing it requires now, plug it in the USB Type-C, hide it, you know, in the car, and put it around the cigarette lighter, and that's it. You need not to worry about it. Power wise, we're gonna apply USB power. When you start, it gives me a message. It says hello DDPAI. You can turn it off if you want that. Let me plug it in.
Hello, hi.
You hear that? I say hello. So that's what it sounds. So automatically now it starts recording. You don't need to do it. So what happens at this point? You turn the car on. This starts recording. You turn the car off, and automatically will turn off. All right. At that point, we know that's pretty simple. It's pretty simple to install as well too. So we got right there. So my next thing is, let's run the app. All right. So let's go to the setup and dashcam. So we start the application. I already downloaded, and that's what we get. All right. So what you see first in the beginning, it's just people share. You can do that too. You can share videos. It's like a fun thing here. It's like a social network. You allow you, if you place here in the class, you allow you to share your videos, track, or pictures. You can do that as well too. And you have the official how to use it, and also the official guide of the installation and everything. But sure that me is if you open an account to register the account, but we need to wait the device. So what we're going to do, I'm going to apply power to the camera. You can do this right in your card if you want. You don't have to do it right in your desk. You can do that too if you want. But I will run the card anyway. So That's it. It started automatically. We click that. We show you different ones. We get no screen. Show you how to install it. We click next. We need to connect to the Wi-Fi. We click set. We wait until it shows up my Wi-Fi from the camera, the DDPAI. That's it. It's over there. It's going to disconnect from my internet and it's going to do a local connection. It's connected already. We're going to go return. Minimize that. Go back to the application again. And we are connected. Simple as that, guys. Simple as that. Do this in your car and you're done. That's it. At that point, it's connected. Let's click that. And what you see, since if you did this in your car, it's going to show you that line that you see right in the middle, the right way to set your camera. All right, that instructions anyway there, and that's to set the camera. But to turn it off and on, if I go back over here in the configuration on the wheel, I go into guy, it's off. See, that was off. Then you can turn it off, and that's off. I will not show that anymore. So when you set it the first time, you can activate it from here. Go video, activate that, come back. Now check what you see in the right the road, and it shows you exactly what you need to see. Right. So that's about there. Let's go back into the configuration. Let's turn that off, and I'll show you a few things here. All right, go back into resolution. Resolution, we see there are different 1080s, 2K, 4K. I will leave it 4K. All right, that's the idea. Now, watermark, yes, just want all the information into there. Show the speed if you want to show the speed. Leave it on. Click the camera if you want. Set the audio volume. You can check it here if you want. Bring it up and down. Microphone recording, but you can turn it off from the side if you want to drive and not record what you're talking. You can turn it off that. And the switch tone, we did that. Take a photo, 10 seconds. And that's video recording. When you take a photo with your phone, it can record 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or 30 seconds of video together with a picture. Collection mode. For me, it's set in the middle. Now, collection mode, what we'll do, it will protect your video so you're not, by mistake, you're not going to delete your video. So the way to do it is depends what type of car you're driving. Do you driving a sport car? Maybe you want to go low. The street you're driving is too many potholes. Maybe you want to go low because if it's a pothole, the camera is going to think you just have a crash. Something happened to your car, so it's going to start protecting your video. And if you have 200 protecting videos, eventually you're not out of memory. It cannot be deleted. You have to delete it manually. All right. So check that out. I will say middle, maybe the right settings. All right, and here, how you want to record? I think the best way is this way. Like regular video, ordinary video means it will record the way it's supposed to be. And one is full, it will go back and delete all those videos. If it's 500 videos, we'll come back and delete video 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or save memory, but it will be a higher speed. Okay? Or only when something wrong has happened. I think this one, leave the middle one. That's the best one. Name of the camera, password. So about is the camera information. And that's it here. I mean, not much. Go back and you see the screen right now. It records perfect. Capture, if you capture any video, will show up on the next section. We can go here and play videos. If we did record any sections there, if it's image or mentions, it will show you right there. And the merchants there, we can select it and share those videos. Now here is real time. It's showing me the speed, kilometers, and they show you the position of the GPS, east, west. It will keep tracking all the information. Data, you can go and download it or see the whole data there. And in reality, I mean, that you're going to be looking at this when you drive it? No, you're not going to be looking at this when you're driving. This is just show you the information is there. To downloads, you can go and preview anything that is being recorded real time. As today, I can go back. See, I can go and see whatever I'm being recording. The next thing is you want to download this, so you click download and set the point you want to start. You know, I want to start and there, right? And then hit download, and you see here it will start downloading. The next thing is I'm going to stop to show you. Stop now. Okay, so done. Okay, and now share. So I'm going to click share, and the next thing is 6 seconds. What do you want? You want background music? If you can put a background music, original video. So this is kind of the smaller version because you're going to be sharing. And if you want to show all that information there, and I think you can change the styles. Oh, you can do that. It's fun, right? You can add all these things into the site. You see that? Which is that. And then when we're done, guess we can hit OK, right? And now where do you want to share? Yeah, Facebook, and you said you share and give you all that information there. Oh, that's going to take a while now. It's trying to process the video and it's all that information, so that can be shared. And if you see, it's pretty simple. I mean, to connect to the camera and get all that full information on of the camera recording of the GPS. And it has a nice resolution because it's 4K. And the idea is you want to put in the car, right? And we want to have this up. We don't want to see like a bulky thing, right? So you just put it there to show you how to do. And that's it. Get your power, go, hide it in the car, and that's it. So the idea is recording to the camera, and when you have to take the information out, it's available here. You can go and get that full information, when it happened, at what time it happened, exactly. You get the full information GPS. By the way, it will let you know when it gets a signal GPS. So soon you activate in your car, you will hear GPS activated or signal of the GPS. So you will know it's tracking that information out. So it talks to you and let you know, okay, yeah, the camera is getting the GPS information all the time, right? That's it. When you want to get information out, turn on your phone, do a local connection, download the video, maybe you just record something funny to share, and that's it. That's the only time you need to do that. All right, so what I'm going to do, guys, now I'm going to go and install in my car, and I show you how this thing is recorded, and you guys can see a full view of the recording quality. All right, so anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye.